start again. It's a ratchet.
Alright guys, back with another video with the ratchet, with the Haiboxing Ratchet. The first video with the Haiboxing Ratchet, I just want to show you all how durable, how tough these Haiboxing 1/18 scale trucks are made. And so that's why the first video was in real rough terrain. I'm talking about rocks and sticks and big holes and bumps and ruts and all that. So I just wanted to show you the durability of the Haiboxing brand Specialist Ratchet. So in this video, I just want to show you all the max speed of the ratchet on smooth surface. So I did it on road, and I also want to show you all how good it performs in smooth dirt. So I want to show you just how the suspension reacts to, slight bumps, and how does it recover from the bumps, and how well does it turn, the agility of it. So, and I think in this video it'll show a good glimpse of how well this truck is made. Alright guys, the speed on this Haiboxing Ratchet is 15 miles per hour. That's I'm not sponsored by Haiboxing. I have purchased 2 of their vehicles, and both of them I was pleased with. So this one right here is no different. I mean, this Ratchet, like I said, this is my favorite one out of the whole 118 scale lineup. I just like the desert buggy look to it, and for a small size, I mean, it, like I said, it's durable. It only went 15 miles per hour, so it's not the fastest 18 scale buggy out here. But again, it's fun. It's still fun. Uh, the only negative I bring out of this is the range of the radio. You don't get very good range on this radio. I estimated at maybe 30 to 40 yards, if that much. And that's not very far. Some of you may find something else that you don't like about it, but I haven't found anything that I don't like about this truck or this buggy other than the range of the radio. I had thought about either making the WL Tour, the 118 scale buggy I have, brushless, but I'm still waiting on a motor bracket for it, and I've been waiting for like 2 or 3 months for it now, and I done kind of gave up on it. So who knows? I may put that brushless system that I had for the WL Tours buggy. I may put it in here. I'm not for sure yet, but I have all the things I need to put it in here. But I'm really not sure if I want to do that because I like the way this buggy performs right now. But who knows? You know me, I'm always living on the edge, so I may throw that brushless system in there. And it's a 4300 kV motor system. So if y'all would like to see the Ratchet get the 4300 kV brushless system in there, put it in the comments, and I'm gonna do my best either way to do whatever. So just let me know if y'all want to see this little Ratchet 4300 kV brushless system in it. And if y'all want to see that, then I'll throw it in there and shoot some videos on it. So again, this is PJ with PJ's Electric RC. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you all on the next one. Y'all be safe out there.